Welcome back to Courtroom Chronicles, Trials of South Africa. So I'm sure you've heard of Untokoto Mabasa, a 22-year-old from Giyani, who was accused of fatally stabbing her 31-year-old boyfriend, Shishavo Nzanisi, in Midrand on the 22nd of September 2025. So paramedics found him unalived at the scene and a blood-stained kitchen knife was recovered. Mabasa was arrested immediately. Here's the timeline of her court appearances. The incident happened on the 22nd of September 2025, and she made her first court appearance on the 25th of September at Alexandra Magistrate Court. We didn't see any of the proceedings because her legal team successfully applied to prevent the media from broadcasting or photographing the court. So today, on the 1st of October 2025, she appeared again, and the next court date is set for October 3rd in Regional Court 3. So the reason for the October 3rd court date is that the investigations are still ongoing and the state is opposed to granting bail at this stage. So outside the courtroom, protesters demanded justice. Online rumors are circulating as well, some concerning her mental health, but these have not yet been confirmed by the court. Additionally, a video has surfaced on TikTok where she joked about harming her boyfriend. The authenticity and context to this video, they're still under scrutiny. So this is a tragic story, and all eyes are on the next court date as the case continues to unfold. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Ciao.